Hi guys, welcome to my science experiment series. Now we are going to do science experiment number 37, which is speedy matchsticks. For that, we need a bowl, some water, matchsticks, and dishwashing soap. After that, we need to put some water in the bowl. After that, put some matchsticks on the water and then add a drop or 10 drops of dishwashing soap on and see matchsticks repel each other from the dishwashing liquid. This happens because of surface tension. Hi guys, now let's implement the experiment. First we need to put some water in the bowl and then add a few matchsticks on it. And then after that we need to add a drop of dishwashing liquid and you can see the matchsticks run. Did you just saw that? The matchsticks was running so much. So bye.